In this video, we are going to deploy the Horizon Application Manager Connector Virtual Appliance. The first step is to select the OVF template we would like to deploy. We're going to give the connector a name, select the host or cluster we would like to deploy to, select the disk format. In this case, I'm going to use thin provisioning. If you have set up an IP pool inside of vCenter, then you can go ahead and choose fixed for the IP allocation policy, and it will allow you to select or configure the IP address. If you have not configured an IP pool, please select DHCP and you can manually set up the network. Review the summary and click Finish. Once we are done deploying, we will now power on the virtual appliance. The first time you power on the connector virtual appliance, it will ask for a password for the root account. From the connector home screen, we can now choose to configure the virtual appliance. The first thing I'm going to do is set up the network. We are not going to use IPv6. We are not going to use DHCP. I will type in the IP address, choose the default subnet, choose the default gateway, enter the correct DNS server, and then provide a host name for the connector. I have already set up a DNS record for the connector. I will not use a proxy. I will verify this information is correct. Now that I've set up the network, I need to go back and set up the time zone. The next step is to visit the URL on the home screen and configure the Horizon Connector Setup Wizard.